Sorry, do you speak English?
Sorry, I don't speak English.
I would like some beef balls.
I have no idea what you're saying. If I knew English, I'll probably be working at one of those Michelin restaurants and not this crap.
係啊，做咩街啊？點個菜點一個嘢
Sorry, do you speak English?
English? Yeah. No English at all.
Guys, I would just like to order some Chaoshan beef balls.
Sorry, I don't know what you say.
Look, my brother from another mother. Beef balls are overrated. What you really need are some Wagyu beef. The taste is so...
Exquisite.
Thank you. Man, I wish I knew English.
这样吧，普通话你们会说了吧？
普通话那肯定不會啊，
我哋廣東人嚟噶嘛，普通話那肯定不行的。
我們乜柒都不會，咁咪真係大鑊啊家姐。
喂，你兩個唔好再玩嘢啦嚇！潮汕牛肉丸啊，好簡單嘅咋，廣東話 OK 啦啩？
係啊，點解佢講嘢咁得意，同我哋一啲都唔相似，把聲完全都唔啱 key，唔知佢傻咗定白痴定白痴。
喂 ，OK，啊唔好再唱啦。Chinese? Do you speak Chinese?
Sorry, we don't speak Chinese.
Or English.